Okay, everybody, me, Mike, and I are headed out to the golf course. Do a
pre-Irma hurricane hunt. We're going to try to get there before Irma blows us away.
Yeah. Okay, everybody, Mike and I are here at the golf course. Mike's letting me use his camera because mine's got a malfunction in it. But hopefully we can find something good before the storm Irma.
Yeah, the hurricane.
Yeah, the hurricane. So, wish us luck. Hey, I just dug down maybe about 2 inches. This is my first actual good find. It's a quarter. I can't really tell what the year is on it. But let's keep going. Now I just swinging on the surface. And I found myself a dime. Not sure what year it is, but let's keep going.
We didn't blow away.
No, not
we should have by all rights with all that wind. And we really didn't find anything either. But we will show you what we did find. I think all the good stuff got scared when they heard the hurricane was coming and took off.
Yep.
So this is what we got. I'll show you what Tracy got. He got him 35 cents, a quarter, and a dime. Let's get the camera on focus here. And he got himself an ignition switch. Huh, weird, huh? Me, I got my own ring. A couple pieces of copper, odds and ends. You know, I don't know what that is. I thought I had something silver. Right at the end, I got myself a zinc penny. So I got a coin. I got that lead bullet. And this thing, you know, I found enough Indian arrowheads in Pennsylvania that this just kind of caught my eye. And it for sure looks like it was at one time a point. So, who knows, that may be the best find. But that's it. That's what we got. And from here on, we have hurricane. So, we'll enjoy that, hopefully. Yeah. Hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully it's a good hurricane. We'll see.
Don't blow us away.
Right. Well, there you go. Well, there you go, guys. We survived the Hurricane Irma metal detecting hunt. It was awful windy out there. Windy and cool. And tonight that thing's going to hit us. So, hopefully, everybody'll be okay. I'm sure we're going to have some trees down, some power lines out. I'm sure there's going to be some damage, but I hope there's no loss of life. I know there's already been quite a bit of that going on with this hurricane coming up through, so hopefully we get away from that. But I hope you liked the video, guys. I know there's really nothing to it. We found nothing. We really our finds were pitiful, but we wanted to get the hunt in before this hurricane hits, and just to say we did it, I guess. So, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, we'll catch you later.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.